Hello everybody. How you all doing? Are you okay? In your neck of the woods? What up? What up? Manners and respect. And your girl man Debbie from down a yard. You know pretty? Okay. First, I want to extend teddy bear hugs and kisses mwah, mwah, mwah to you all. I'm at 102 subscribers. Thank you all. Dessert bites, I can't remember your son name. Big up yourself. Boom. Dane, Teacher Stewart, Shereen, all of you all who started the journey with me. Big up on yourself. Manners and respect. Boom. Yeah. My new subscribers, Priyanka, you know yourself. Queen Africa, just to name a few. Large up girl, you're large and in charge. You know you all, you know yourselves. And as I go through the videos and I remember your names, I'm going to give you all a shout out. Okay? BGG boss. Yes man, Mrs. Say up on the thing. Boom. Yeah. Now today, I'm going to take you again on my Sunday dinner journey. But today, you know what happened? You know my Sunday dinner all that large. But what I'm going to do for you today, see, I have my aisle over here getting a bit heated. Yeah. I'm doing for you brown stew chicken, pumpkin rice, sauce up juice, and some steamed vegetable, right? They're all on the channel. And I'm going to do for you some festival. So we have brown stew chicken on the channel, pumpkin rice, brown stew chicken, and we also have the festival. So all those videos have been highlighted and you can go back to the channel and see how I do them from scratch. So I'm just taking you all on my Sunday dinner journey once more in my humble little Jamaican kitchen, and we are gonna get rolling, honey. My flame is here. Give them a shot of my pot. Remember me tell you, you don't have to use fresh oil each time you're doing your chicken. So I have some long time chicken oil, not really say long time, but we can reuse it again. Yeah. I have my chicken seasoned ahead of time. Yep. So we're gonna do brown stew. May I have brown stew, some chicken for my dinner. Yeah. Right. So I tell you, season your chicken to your liking, but please go low on the powdered seasoning. You want to get some nice flavor from your chicken, juicy, nice cooking chicken. So I'm going to notch up my flame and I'm going to start get browning. Make your oil well hot and put in your pieces. If you have thick amount of chicken like mine, use a big pot. Because when I put in, I don't take out. When I'm brown stewing chicken and I put in chicken, I don't take out. I brown stew and put to the side and thing, and then I just cook off everybody. Yeah, and you get that juiciness. All right, so those are inside here and they are browning. As soon as they reach brown off your part of the way, you flip them over, put them to the side, make space for these few others that are here. Brown them again, flip them over, turn off everybody. Take out, when everybody will finish brown, take out the excess oil. Lot of oil is going to be in there. We take out most of it. And we use the sauces with ketchup and stuff and we gravy down. So you can go back to the channel and see how I do my brown stew chicken. But I'm doing brown stew chicken today, as I told you. Pumpkin rice. Yeah, we're going to do a little steamed veg. We're going to make some festival. And we're going to do sauce up juice. It's on the channel. But you don't know, as Jamaican, when we do food thing, you know we do it different. So I'm going to notch up my sauce up juice with a bottle of Guinness. Alright? Yeah, man. So, stick and stay. Sunday dinner part 1. Debbie down a yard same way.